Are you ready to transform your Excel skills in 2025? Discover the power of new functions like array, sort, max, and Tocol that can save your hours and take your spreadsheet to the next level. In this video, I will show you how to use these game-changing features to simplify your data and impress your boss. Let's dive in and master the future of Excel. First, we will discuss about the magic of array. Normally, when we use Excel and find the difference between two dates and the amounts, how we get it? We simply use Excel, give the biggest number, minus, and use the smallest number, press enter, copy and paste to the last, or we can drag drop. There are many options for copy paste. But in the 2025, if you are using the same method, you're wasting your time. Here we have very less data, but imagine you have thousands of rows. So how we can do that? Remove it, equal sign, select the large data like this, minus, select the small data, press enter, you got the answer. There is nothing to do. Excel will do the all work automatically. Isn't amazing? The same thing apply for the amount as well. So here also I will select this, minus amount A, press enter, we got it. We can use this anywhere, like here. I want to extract the maximum number from the difference of this amount. So there is no need to do this calculation over here. We can do it here. Use max, press tab. Now select the first column, minus, select the second column, close the bracket, press enter. We got our answer. Isn't amazing thing? Now we want to do the sorting of differences. That's very easy in the Excel. In 2025, equal, type sort, select the first column, minus, select the second column, close it and press enter. By default, it will be in the ascending order. If you want to change the order, select the first cell, come over here, remove this one and press comma, ignore the short index, then comma. We have descending. For this we have to select descending, press tab and close the bracket, press enter. How easy it is. The next trick is super cool. We have many cities of the world over here. My task is to convert this data into the column. So how we can do that? First try the manual thing. We copy the first row, copy, come over here, go to the paste special, and then we have to transpose this data. But in 2025, there is no need to do this manual task. Just close this one, come over here, type equal sign, type 2COL and select your all data, close the bracket, press enter. That's all you need to do. So if you like this trick, hit on the like button, share with your friends and family who really want to learn the Excel, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Please come back again.